How old is he?
28. By 28 years I am.
28 बोल रहा भाई.
28. I'm younger than that.
What is his age? Again, we will ask from her. What is his age? Guess. Tell the first guess that you just told me. वो बताओ.
Late 20s.
She said late 20s. Guess his age. What's his age first?
I am assuming around 25 to 28 in between.
Okay, it's a wrong answer.
Okay.
Guess his age.
I think it's 51.
She already knows.
She knows it. She knows.
I just estimated. Not in 20s.
Not in 20s, not 32. Not below 32. चलो लाओ इतना ज़्यादा guess दे दिया.
Okay. Okay. I think 36.
Nearby.
Nearby.
एक और guess.
Very close. Very close.
हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू ब्रेन ओवर बाइसेप्स। आज मैं ट्रेन करने वाला हूँ इसके साथ। आज ये जो भी वर्कआउट करेगा, आई विल डू द सेम वर्कआउट, वॉट एवर इट कुड बी, जो भी रहेगा। ऑफ कोर्स माइट नॉट बी द सेम वेट जो ये उठाने वाला है, बट वॉट एवर ही डज, आई विल डू इट। नाउ लेट द मैन introduce himself.
Hi guys, I'm Simpson and I'm 38 years old. I work out like 6 days in a week and Sunday is a rest day for me. Monday to Saturday I train different muscles just for maintenance. I've been training like since 4 years and this is the body I got. The diet I maintain is like very clean. Sometimes I don't call it as cheat, but I reward myself. I'm very happy today.
Yeah.
I'm one of the biggest fitness guys. So yeah.
Guys, abs, he is the biggest. See the abs, like ripped. Like मैं कभी इतना रिप हुआ ही नहीं हूँ भाई। इसका रिप देखो, 2, 2, 4, 2, 6 थोड़ा और करेगा तो 8 पैक्स हो जाएंगे इसके।
Well, I'm not prepared, but yes.
Yeah, so now let's go inside and train and you will see कि आज का क्या full training है अपना। It's chest and back, right?
Chest and back, yeah.
हाँ, तो चेस्ट एंड बैक। एंड जैसा कि पता है कि मैं ट्रेन नहीं कर रहा था बहुत टाइम से, अभी 2-3 दिन में ट्रेन करते करते। सो नाउ द गोल इज टू वर्कआउट विथ एज मेनी पीपल एज आई कैन, लाइक हिम। ऐसे बहुत रेयर मिलते हैं, तो आई वाज लाइक आज ये मिल गया। मैं बोला भाई आज तो वीडियो बनाना पड़ेगा, आज वर्कआउट करूंगा, तुम्हारे साथ कंटेंट अच्छा बनेगा आज का। तो लेट्स गो इनसाइड द जिम। For what is the first workout?
First, I will do the flat bench.
These are warm-up sets.
The warm-up sets, yeah.
Yeah. Simpson did पूरा वाइड ग्रिप। मैं उतना वाइड करता नहीं हूँ, बट आई विल ट्राई टुडे।
Yeah, bro.
दिस माय 10।
Yep. Always re-rack your weights.
I did not read that.
I'm sorry. Oh shit.
Oh, guys, the best part is this guy is natural. ऐसा नहीं है कि he's not an athlete or so. He's like a regular guy, goes to work, has a family, has kids, and इतना ripped body लेके घूम रहा है। 15 reps, हाँ?
Yes, bro.
इसके साथ ट्रेन करने के लिए ना मेरे को ऑयल लगा के आना चाहिए था। थोड़ा एटलीस्ट रिप दिखता मैं। दो ही सेट पे चेस्ट पूरा पंप हो गया।
थोड़ा रेस्ट लेना है।
हाँ, थोड़ा रेस्ट लेके।
रेस्ट लिए तो the muscle will recover a little bit.
हाँ।
So you can lift nicely.
तो क्रिएटिन लेना भी छोड़ दिया था। आई हैड क्रिएटिन yesterday.
Okay.
स्विगी इंस्टामार्ट में ना एक मेरे को ब्रांड मिला, उसका क्रिएटिन कम्स इन सैशेट्स। सो आई वाज लाइक इट्स इजी बिकॉज स्कूप करने में ना यू फॉरगेट ऑल द टाइम।
Okay.
पड़ा रह जाता है डाइनिंग टेबल पे। सो आई गॉट दैट सैशेट्स वाला। इट्स गुड, यू कट इट, पुट वन,
Nice.
इट हैज सम चेरी टोमेटो एक्सट्रैक्ट और समथिंग। 10 done. Whew.
Perfect.
Oh.
Without lift.
Huh?
Without lift. Without lift. Yeah.
Yeah, that's because I have too much extra
इनको बहुत
fat.
strength है।
इसका
इनको तो
इसका 6 पैक से मेरा 1 single family pack है।
but strength इनको ज़्यादा है। We'll drink some water and
Okay. How many reps?
I did 20.
अरे वाह। चेस्ट ऐसा फाड़ू पंप हो गया, इसके बाद 20 रेप, ये फुल बैक भी पंप हो जाएगा।
Yeah.
1 16 17 20 20 done. हाँ। Now tell me, do you do cardio?
I do. I prefer doing cardio one day.
In a week.
which is Thursday. Yeah, I prefer like when I do core करे जब I prefer doing cardio. Like
अच्छा.
for 20 minutes, not more than that.
What do you do?
Because-
Treadmill?
Treadmill, yeah.
Okay.
Post my core workout.
Okay.
I do abs and sides, little sides, and I do hyper extensions. And then I'll go for treadmill.
Okay.
उसके बाद treadmill कर दो. Then the muscle will get relaxed.
What do you eat normal day पे? What's the breakfast like?
Breakfast, I prefer eating oats and vegetables. I cook brown rice, and I have a specially cooked chicken where it doesn't contain so much of salt, pepper, and all that. So little, and I mix brown rice and chicken, and that's my dinner. And I eat scrambled eggs before workout.
Oh.
Yeah.
Pre-workout.
Pre-workout, yeah.
Crazy. What? How many? Like how many?
4 scrambled eggs full.
Like how much time before the?
30 to 40 minutes.
Okay. 30 to 40 minutes before
30
you
to
work
40
out, you have 4 scrambled eggs.
That's it.
Okay.
Yeah. And I take fish oil and multivitamin, which is must.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah. And for the calcium tablets as well, chewable. That's for bone strength. So these are the 3 things I take.
So
in a day.
chicken, how many grams in a day you eat?
200 grams.
And eggs 4.
Eggs 4.
Okay. And any tofu, paneer, anything else?
I don't eat all that. So I keep it very simple. Because as you see, I do moderate weights. I don't go heavy. I don't go very light. So I maintain myself. And उतने काफ़ी बस हैं. Like I don't want to go heavy. Heavy करने का ज़रूरत नहीं है. I don't want to go into bulking. Lean bulking is most of the guys prefer.
Yeah. True.
So that's the motivation. So उतना ही रखता हूँ मैं.
क्रेजी भाई.
Yeah.
देखो इतना बंदा मतलब प्रोटीन भी ज़्यादा हाई नहीं खा रहा, बट ही इज बैलेंसिंग आउट और फिजिक मेंटेन कर रहा है.
Yeah.
अपना क्या वी इधर को हाई प्रोटीन और इधर भी को हाई जंक एंड उसके बाद एब्स एंड ऑल गो अवे एंड पूरा फैट आ जाता है यहाँ पर.
Yeah. नहीं भाई, आप तो डेफिनेशन, आपका भाई का डेफिनेशन देखो कितना अच्छा है.
इधर नहीं डेफिनेशन है, इधर अच्छा दिखता है.
वो तो
इधर
भाई
definition नहीं है
आप
मेरा.
एक महीने करे तो आपको निकल जाता है.
अभी सेकंड सेट है अपना, राइट? बंदे का साइज देखो भाई, फुल 3D आर्म्स इसके पास.
You can do it.
हाँ क्या?
Perfect. You're capable of doing
Whatever
more.
you are doing वही करना मेरे को. अभी नेक्स्ट क्या अपना?
Next flat dumbbell press करना है.
यहाँ पे फ्लैट डंबल प्रेस.
Flat dumbbell press.
भाई सीधा ही 22.5 किलो के डंबल से स्टार्ट किया इसने. इस पे जूम कर भाई. चेक द नर्व्स गाइस, चेक द वेस्कुलरिटी. क्रेजी भाई. 200 ग्राम चिकन और 4 अंडे में ये बॉडी चाहिए मेरे को, ये फिजिक. $14, $15.
Perfect.
गाइज मैं ना जिम के म्यूज़िक पे वो जो म्यूज़िक के लिए मैं पे करता हूँ वो लगाया हूँ ताकि कॉपीराइट ना लग जाए मेरे इस वीडियो पे.
भाई का I love the size of his biceps.
Yeah, this comes complimentary with this guys. ये होना तभी ये आता. नो 10. अरे इतना वेट मैं नॉर्मली उठाता नहीं हूँ, बट ये मोटिवेशन मिल जा रहा है इसको देख करके. लग रहा है कि हाँ उठाना पड़ेगा. हाउ मनी?
12 reps. 3.
4, 11,
Superb.
12.
Perfect. भाई 35 किलो 40 किलो उठाने का ज़रूरत नहीं है. एक प्रॉपर डेफिनेशन and you do with lightweight. I wouldn't say lightweight, moderate weight 20, 25. बस है डेफिनेशन करेक्ट आया, परफेक्ट रहता. यार भाई का ऐसा भी 12 reps एकदम परफेक्ट आया. So वैसा.
But guys, his advice actually matters because ये 18 साल 17 साल का बंदा नहीं है. You're 39, right? 38 years old. So advices from people who are at his age group really matter in terms of fitness because it shows कि ये लंबा टाइम का खिलाड़ी है ना. ये ऐसा मतलब एक होता है ना 18-19 में मेटाबॉलिज्म हाई रहता है, जेनेटिक्स पीक पे रहता है, तो लोगों का बॉडी बन जाता है थोड़े मेहनत पे. इस एज तक कंटिन्यू करना है ना, आगे प्रोग्रेस पे चलते रहना. दैट इज़ व्हाई आई एम ट्रेनिंग विद हिम बिकॉज ही इज 38 एंड ही हैज़ द एडवाइजेस दैट मैटर rather than taking advices from someone who's very young because that would not imply अपने लोगों जैसे लोगों पे.
Yeah. Always prefer lifting dumbbells like this.
8. Done. Ooh.
One advice: don't drink plenty of water after your workout. Drink sip by sip. Keep yourself hydrated. That's more than enough. When I work out, alone, I won't feel this heavy, and I'm like totally pumped up now. just for 2 sets. I mean 2 variations, not more than that. I usually prefer doing 5 to 6 variations, but bike ke saath 2 variation, I'm gone.
When I work out alone, मेरा क्या होता है, I'll work out and I'll be on my phone. I'll have some idea. I'll chat with Gemini or ChatGPT. I'll chat and I'll forget next set. फिर I'll close it, then I'll go second set. ऐसा रहता है मेरा. Okay sir, don't go very heavy. Okay sir, cable is थोड़ा damaged यहाँ.
Yeah.
We have to fix it.
That's fine, right?
हाँ.
उतना fun बस.
Yeah. पूरा भी चल जाता है, but don't give it a jerk. ये केबल मैं ही चेंज करता कल. Oh. 15. This is the second set, same weights.
How old are you?
32. How old is he?
28.
By 28 years, I am.
28 बोल रहा भाई.
28. I'm younger than that.
Guess. I'll give you 3 guesses.
Three
Guess
guesses.
his age.
35.
35. नहीं, wrong guess.
Wrong.
तो मतलब
Okay.
ऊपर है नीचे.
हाँ, it's, let's say, I'll say it's near the number.
Near the number. He
Correct.
got it.
38.
38 years.
But a
I
first,
don't look 38.
yeah,
Yeah.
his first guess was 28.
Exactly. Fitness matters, भाई देखो.
बढ़ाना पड़ा.
हाँ, 10 ही बढ़ाना. That too because he was doubtful कि अरे ये गलत हो गया.
गलत हो गया. 10 साल कम बोल दिया ना. Perfection देखो. कितना slow and steady आ रहा. That's the definition. And 20. Perfect. Same weight or will increase.
Whatever you put.
अच्छा.
पंप तगड़ा हो गया भाई. फील हो रहा बिल्कुल अंदर तक. मेरे पास है नहीं. मेरा अगर ऐसा था तो मैं भी खोल के वर्कआउट करता. लास्ट इसके बाद आया 1 more. अच्छा. हाँ. How many?
I did 12 reps.
6 7 8. वो. हाँ. Oh. Yeah, why not?
बने हैं खाऊंगी
You can pose like this.
किस तरफ अच्छा आता है my one muscle is properly developed किस तरफ अच्छा दिखा बताओ
This way is better. Show me that side. Both. That is better. Your left one. Do a pose like this. ऐसे कर. ये ऐसे कर. Yeah. Tell your name. What's your name?
बेस्ट
Yeah. Wait. Let me get the mic for you. Wait. Now tell your name. What's your name? Say.
I'm Vaishnavi.
How do you feel working out in my gym?
It's actually good. I like spending 2 hours of my time here.
Yeah.
I can forget about everything and just come and feel belonged in the space.
Yeah. That's nice. That is the whole goal of make us get a sense of belonging here. It's like this gym. Everybody of us like one family.
भाई मेरे साथ ना. Once I wake up, I come to the gym. If I win here, I win my whole day.
You are the gymnasium trying to like push me. Like you are a hard-working guy. You keep presenting to people. You are gym owner. All that stuff he's saying, Gemini, and then it gave me a long workout, short workout. She's like,
Okay.
start with this workout. I was like, okay, I did that workout.
Yeah.
I was like, okay, good. Next again I came. Again I put Gemini. Okay, next again. Yesterday gym was closed.
Yeah.
I came in the afternoon, opened up. Again Gemini, worked out. Yesterday I worked out legs. Legs and core. And liquid chalk.
Sure, yeah.
Actually but I have liquid chalk, I'll give it to you right now.
Sure, sure.
You use it back.
Yeah.
It does not go from the vacuum. Okay. I'll get you the liquid chalk.
Do they have a butterfly on their back?
Tattoo or the muscles?
Muscle.
Yeah.
What is it?
वो लिया already. हाँ. But I got confused with a tattoo. Why will he have a tattoo, butterfly tattoo? What is his age? Again, we will ask for her. What is his age? Guess. Tell the first guess that you just told me. वो बताओ.
Late 20s.
She said late 20s. It's a wrong answer, but still, take 2 more guesses.
Early
Don't
30s.
give don't do that early and late.
Arey.
Get a number. Go to number.
Get a number, yeah.
Ah.
3 guesses.
1 is done. 2 remaining.
2 remaining.
33?
No.
I'm not talking about his age, my age.
Arey, yeah. Okay.
Bolo.
25?
25.
20 oh my god.
Thank you.
नहीं आप बताओ कितना
Your last guess.
Last wild guess.
He is not 25, he is not 33, he is not below 25. And let's say he's around 30, but not below 25.
30.
No.
Right?
3 guesses wrong answer.
Shit.
You know, I'll tell you, he is 38.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah, really, he's 38.
I am 38, it's recording, come on. I won't lie.
On camera shooting.
Yeah. Arey, see now, I'll show you one guy. Udayji, come, you are on time. You need to come right now. We have crazy 2 people in the gym who, like, I'm pretty sure nobody will be able to guess their age. And this guy came, like, you know, randomly. Normally, I don't know which time he comes in, but you know, do you know his age?
I know, I can guess.
You know, okay. Your turn. Come.
Come
Guess
your
his
turn.
age.
It's your turn.
But you know his age. Acha, nahi, then. Can you help guessing his age?
She also knows.
You know.
That's why I'm asking, guess it. You guess,
know,
you have to guess.
No, I don't know his
You don't
age.
know his age, right? Come.
I can just estimate that whatever.
You don't know his age also, right?
No, I don't.
Okay, come on. Guess his age. What's his age first? 3 guesses for both of them, okay? 3 for him, 3 for him.
Okay.
Guess his age.
I am assuming around 25 to 28 in between.
Okay, it's a wrong answer.
Okay.
Now, guess his age.
I think it's 51.
She already knows. I don't know.
She knows it. She knows.
I just estimated.
Okay, now two guesses for him. 2 guesses for him.
2 more guesses from me.
Okay. 32.
No.
No.
You should help me with higher or lower.
Okay, not 32. Not in 20s.
Not in 20s.
Not in 20s, not 32. Not below 32. चलो लाओ इतना ज़्यादा guess दे दिया.
Okay. Okay. I think 36.
Nearby. एक
Nearby.
और guess.
Very close. Very close.
37.
38.
38.
See, guys into full-on fitness.
Yeah, he doesn't.
Can't. Yeah.
He also doesn't look 50.
Yeah.
Just estimated with
first
whatever
time,
he has told.
the first time I saw
Yeah.
him, I thought he is maybe like
30s.
40, 38.
See, you said
ऐसा.
51. I really don't know his age, but he looks around my age, 38, 37.
Yeah, he looks.
Yeah.
Is that his actual age? What's his actual age?
I'm glad to say I'm 55 and still feel very young actually.
And
Exactly.
guys, this is
You are.
yeah. And these guys are all natural guys. ऐसा नहीं है कि no animals, nothing. They're
Yeah,
like
nothing.
regular natural people. They eat just clean and they train like crazy. This guy trains like crazy. इसका कोई routine नहीं है. He will come work out for 2 hours, whatever comes in his mind. You will see him training functional weights, mix up of everything. Sometimes you will find him jumping on the box all day. That's all he does, and he's ripped as that way. So both guys are completely natural, and they look like he looks like 20s, he looks like 30s.
Motivation.
Nothing different.
He is the motivation for me.
matters.
Yeah, consistency.
Only one
matters.
thing which is consistency.
Yeah.
That matters.
Ah, I am Lahiri.
How long have you been training in this gym?
I think it's around 2 years now.
Nice to meet you.
And she has won multiple competitions in the gym, right?
Yeah.
Which,
Don't even
which
think
competitions
you're
have you won?
55. You really 50.
I think push-up and there was one
Your
more
name?
competition.
Uday.
I don't
Simpson.
remember. Burpees.
I've seen
No,
you a lot of
I
times,
don't
but you
think I
last
won.
working out.
Did I win?
I do
the
my
We did
workout.
not decide yet. We will announce it. I'm talking about the previous year we did 2 competitions.
Yeah. Previous year I just won in push-up competition.
Ah.
I participated only in the push-up competition, so I won.
Okay. Yeah.
I mean-
She's been a regular. She comes. I have seen you consistently, right? Chalo, nice. You work out now.
Yeah.
this is our fourth exercise, right?
Yes.
Fourth exercise, last set. It will kill. At least it will kill me. I don't know about you. It will kill me. Oh my god, my triceps are dead, man. Oh,
You got this, bro. You can do it.
oh god.
You can or no? We'll try another one. 1. Easy. 2. Superb. 3. 14. And 15. You got it.
Dude, my triceps are giving me in the first rep only. I was like, nahi hoga, gir jaunga main. This part was killing. This part was
This part,
dead,
yeah.
इधर power है, इधर नहीं बचा कुछ भी. The whole goal of this video is to show your workout. What do you do? I'm just doing it for you.
Yeah. 12. Come on, easy. 13. You need lift?
No.
14. Last one. Go for it. Yep. Perfect.
15.
Amazing.
Oh god. YouTube sends notification will come to that mail itself, and if
Okay.
it gets mixed, you might not be able to see it. So you need to have a separate email account, make it new, probably with another number also, not with the primary number. Another number, if you have secondary number.
Okay.
Usse you make a Gmail account, and that Gmail account se make YouTube channel. 5,
6.
7, 15. What's your body weight?
77.
So I'm 75, I guess.
Come on, bro. Easy. 12.
12.
Yeah. 13.
I'm done. Hey. 9, 10.
Last 2. 14. Last one. Perfect. That's
God. 3 reps required acceleration.
yeah. Where my senior manager, VP, Thursday is like a Friday. So we just chill around after hour, like they'll call us home. We go there, drink a couple of beers. Maybe they drink whiskey, but I prefer beers because on the weekends I drink whiskey. So either Saturday or Sunday I go out with friends. And Sunday I stay home, spend time with my family and all.
Ooh.
Upper body.
Dude. This is like full butterfly mode. How many?
12. You can do it. Easy.
Oh, 6 ma'am done, man. So guys, ये था हम लोग का आज का workout. We did back and chest. Yeah. मेरा पूरा फट गया because I worked out this heavy after a very long time. The best part about him is like this guy, ये बंदा chicken भी कम खाता है and eggs भी कम खाता है, and basically he balances out. And yeah, and he's about to make his YouTube channel today, and I'm gonna tag अपने channel पे, collaborator पे मैं इसका डाल दूँगा. So you might not get content ज़्यादा today because he will start posting, but you can always go back to his channel and check it.
Thank you guys. It was an amazing workout with him.
Yeah.
I mean, we have been planning since ages, and today we worked it out. It came so well.
The mic, yeah.
Yeah, बहुत अच्छा आ गया workout. I am really impressed. मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा इनसे workout करना. भाई तो 1 week से पहले start करा था. मेरे साथ workout करा. But he's amazing. बहुत अच्छा करा. I'm like he's too good. I mean, मेरे जैसे consistency है तो और क्या करते हैं?
I always told you, भाई ऐसा फील नहीं करना, इसको monetize कर सकते.
Monetize कर सकते हैं.
So I have always been trying to tell you, bro, if I had this video, मेरे पास ऐसा तो भाई मैं पूरे शहर में टी-शर्ट खोल के घूम रहा था. I would not buy a single t-shirt. I was just ऐसी टी-शर्ट खोल के मार्केट में घूमते रहता. मैंने रिकॉर्ड myself.
भाई तो मोटिवेशन है. मेरे को टाइम नहीं मिलता, बट या आज तो मैं मोनेटाइज करना ही है. मैं YouTube चैनल क्रिएट करूंगा और भाई को भी टैग करूंगा। आप भाई टैग कर दे मेरे को, आप देखो वीडियो, अच्छा लगे तो पसंद करो। एंड या मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल भी क्रिएट करके भाई को भी टैग कर दो, सो वी कैन ऑल गेट मोटिवेटेड एंड या स्टे स्ट्रॉन्ग।
चलो guys, see you in the next video. Thank you. Ray No Biceps out.